morning guys, how is it going? Today I'm going to answer a question that I'm getting asked more than anything, apart from where'd you take a shit? And that is, where is Marcela? Well, it's a nice day outside, so let's take a stroll.
In a city full of sounds, I know my way around. We are of the same kind.
Okay, bye.
Endangered species hard to find. I'll give you some lone time. I need to go catch a high tide.
So where is Marcela? She's in Poland. Right, so me and Marcela haven't been together since a couple of days before Christmas. And we were together for 7 years, and we worked together and we lived together for all that time. So we haven't split up just because we're all of a sudden together all the time. As I know a lot of people have a bit of a fear of moving into a van with a partner, and that like they're going to be together all the time, confined space, stress levels are going to get high and they're going to fall out and split up. So it's not that, it's more... Fucking hell, why was it actually? It's just something that happened. I think it would have happened if we were in a van or not. It was brewing for a while. I mean, we're always quite a passionate couple and argued sometimes. But also I don't think Marcela wanted to spend the winter in the Alps anyway, to be honest, in the van. Hey, no, don't you come soaking me. Oh, come on. But really, I think this break's actually done us some good. She's been in Poland for like the past 5 months. I've been in the Alps and now back in the UK. Po, aquí. We started talking a couple of months after we split up or took our break, whatever it is. And I think, well, cut a long story short, she's gonna be back in the van as soon as I'm heading back down to Spain. I'm gonna pick her up on the way down. She's gonna get the train over to Germany with Zeus, and we're gonna be reunited and carry on with what we were doing. And then she's gonna be appearing in a lot more videos. We're doing some specific videos which Marcela's gonna be in control of, and maybe even starting her own YouTube channel as well. So that's some exciting news. Buena chica. So fear not, gang, you will be seeing her beautiful face again soon, and I'll be dealing with her attitude. Check this place out. Wales, man, I love it.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. as a cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Died with my own doubts. Be free.
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, he's not.
Yes, he is. Yes, he is. No, he is.